everybody, welcome to Ed's World of Toys, and today we're making a video of unboxing Elena's L.O.L surprise, colour change surprise, and also my new Sonic the Hedgehog 2 toys.
So you got brand new toys today, Edward?
Yeah, 3 new toys.
And we're going to unbox them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got Sonic, Super Sonic and Knuckles. And my L.O.L.
Right,
Now.
which one should I open first?
Knuckles.
You open Knuckles first?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring it down here.
Right.
And we can open them. Look at this guy.
I know, he's so cool. And there's a ring behind him.
With a giant ring?
Yeah.
He's got a giant ring there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all the other ones, they have stuff too with them.
Okay. Shall we cut that with the scissors?
Yeah. Don't worry, I can do it myself. Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
Here's a ring. Look, where's Knuckles. All I need to do now is just get him out. Oh, this is quite hard.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm trying to be careful not to break him. Just try it from the back and pop him out. This is very hard. Yeah. Can I please have some help?
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
He needs a hand.
Let's help. Let's help Edward then to unbox Knuckles. Okay, we don't need those. Just put him on the floor.
Yeah.
So what we do, this guy, you wanna come out, Knuckle?
Yeah.
Look at his face. He looks really angry. Arrgh. Okay, well, let's try it from this way. Whoa, there is.
And
Careful.
and he's out. Look, there he is.
Does he look cool?
Yeah. Okay.
He's got his giant ring, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that when Eggman comes as well?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Right, look at this guy.
Next, it's Sonic. Knuckles.
Is that Sonic next?
Now,
Okay.
Sonic has his map and his ring bag.
Does he really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's falling down. Did you take it out completely? Oh.
Yeah, it's so easy. Yeah. Now.
Let's see the map. What does the map say? So don't break them up, okay?
Yeah, definitely do.
There you go. It
Here's
dropped on the
map.
floor. There is the map.
It's quite hard to read.
Is it really?
Here's
So
Sonic's
say
ring bag.
safe world.
Safe worlds. Now you see that's a Martian planet and that's Earth, and that's the sun, which you should definitely not go to. And I don't know what some of these are. And there's the ring. Yeah, and in the corner there's a master, which Sonic didn't know what it was, but in Sonic the Hedgehog 2, now he does know. Yeah,
What's that?
it's the ring bag. Now it says emergency use only.
Is that the rings?
Yeah, for Sonic.
Oh, okay.
Now it's time to get him out. There's a difference. This Sonic is electric, if you haven't noticed already.
That Sonic is electric.
Yeah, he's electric. Look. Do you see?
Oh, right. Okay. Well, is that supposed to be the rings, yeah?
Yeah, that's a ring bag. That's a ring bag.
There's a ring bag. It looks quite cool, actually.
Can I please have some help?
You need help again?
Yeah.
Edward needs help again, guys. Oh, no. Come on, Edward, man. Right, let's try. Let's move this.
Make sure not to break it.
Well, we do our best not to break it, man.
Yeah.
I tell you what, let me get the scissors. And try and open a little bit of the scissors here.
Okay.
This guy is quite hard, you know.
Yeah.
Come on, Sonic. Come on out. Right. There he is. There, hold on. There he is. He's out. He's out. And he looks really angry, doesn't he?
No, he's happy. Look. Can you see his smile?
Oh, okay. You can get him out now?
Alright. And there he is. Look.
Sonic the Hedgehog, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
This guy is very cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. So you put him next to that knuckle. They're not going to start fighting, are they?
No.
Okay.
I hope not. Wait, Sonic gonna probably hold this. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Why is he falling down?
Daddy. Wait, I think instead of holding a map, he could...
Knuckle doesn't like standing up. What's the matter, Knuckle?
I'll do it.
Uh-oh. Knuckle seems tired. Okay, let him sleep.
Yeah, I let him sleep.
Alright, go to sleep, Knuckle. You look really tired, and it's time to you for the go to sleep.
So no. Sonic needs to go to sleep too.
Too? Oh, okay, we leave them next to each
The
other.
last one.
Who's the last now? Oh!
Super Sonic!
He looks so cool, man.
I know, he's so cool.
He looks very cool.
It comes with the Master Emerald.
Does he?
Yeah, the Master Emerald. You see this screen thing?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a Master Emerald.
That's from the movie, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now, let's see if I can just...
Are you struggling?
Yes! Its plastic is very hard.
Elena, I'm going to give you the try?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want Daddy to help?
Yes.
Okay, Daddy help again. Okay. So we're going to get the scissors again. Get with the scissors. And we get this. Okay, if you, there you go. We don't make sure we don't damage Sonic, do we? Otherwise he will get angry and he will attack us.
I don't want that.
Do you think he will do that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Or is he friendly, Sonic?
It only hurts if we make him mad.
Oh, we don't want to do that, do we?
No, definitely don't. The Master Emerald looks a bit loose to me.
Okay.
Can you do it? Oh, wait, let me...
But what's going on with you, dude?
Oh, Super Sonic. Wait, Super Sonic is slowly starting. Ow. Out. Wait, his head is out right now. This is on the legs.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, you got one leg out. Yeah.
Let's got one leg out. Try and push the arms now.
And the other leg. Now the arms.
Do you need help, dude? Everybody's sweating. Everybody is sweating. He's tired like Sonic.
Super Sonic really does not want to get out.
He doesn't want to come out, does he? What does he want to come out?
I don't think.
Should I help again?
Yeah.
Alright, let's help. Let's try again. Let's try. Why doesn't want to come out? Hold on. Hold on. Has he got something holding it back? Hold on, one second. Oh, he's got something holding it. That's why it didn't come out.
That's why. Oh, come on.
There you go. Show it to your friend.
Wait. The Master Emerald still needs to come out.
Hey!
There it is. The Master Emerald.
Finally he's out.
Nope, Super Sonic wants to sleep too. Okay.
We got Super Sonic, Sonic and what's Knuckle doing? Is it dude? You have to wake up, man.
He's just sleeping.
Look at him. He's got them big, strong arms, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Do you think you can beat Sonic?
Mm.
I can beat you. Oh no! The Super Sonic is coming! No! It defeated Knuckle.
And the last one.
And we are about to
LOL.
unbox the Elena's L.O.L, the new
I
boy.
think Super Sonic can do that for you.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, we can leave them on one side here, put them all together. Make sure they don't fight, okay?
Okay, I'm
They're
I
gonna...
think we need to do the scissors to cut this part off.
Okay, I can help you guys.
Yeah. There's like sellotape here. As
Is
well.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
Here.
Yeah, I opened that. This is very sharp, you have to be very careful.
Scissors are sharp.
It's not easy, is it?
Nope. Not easy.
You must have somewhere where you can...
It had like a zip.
Oh,
part
there
where
it is
you're
then, there you
supposed
go.
to do it, but it's not really coming off for me. Like I can't do it.
You can't do it, there
Here
you
we
go.
go. I'll do the rest.
Here we go.
Now we just have to do this part.
Just take the whole thing out now, because it should come all to right to the bottom.
Yeah.
So what's going to be inside?
I don't know yet.
It's going to be a surprise.
Okay.
What's that supposed to be? Just a piece of paper, I guess. What? Put them stuff in here. So
Give me the piece of paper. It has something on it. If you look really closely, it says magic plus. It looks like arrow.
let me see.
Look really closely. Look. You see it?
Can you show it to your friends?
I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. Like if you look
Oh,
really
it might be
closely.
sort of... It's inside. Yeah, you can see it actually. You barely
Yeah.
can see it. It's a star, I think.
Yeah.
It might be a sticker, isn't it?
Maybe.
Okay. What's that? It's got another layer.
It has this. Here.
Okay, take it off the whole
I
thing.
can do it.
Rip it down.
Just gonna.
Down on one side.
It's going to like to one side. Ugh. Edward, I think I might need your help here.
I wasn't using my imagination earlier.
You want Daddy Sonic to help?
Edward's doing it.
I can do this.
Yeah, he's doing it.
Come on, it's taking forever, guys. Come on.
I know.
Okay. There you go. Finally, it's
On
out.
the end of here, you can see like there's like a baby with a question mark on it on the corner of here.
You guys' eyes are really red in camera now. You know your eyes look like vampires. Let me see your eyes, Edward. Whoa. What are you, Elena? Ah, there you go. Change colour.
Here's the first surprise.
Wow. Wow. What is that?
It's a bottle. This is the baby bottle.
Is that baby bottle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gonna take up the next surprise here.
Oh,
I
okay.
think there's like a big surprise inside of this.
Well, let's find out then.
Mhm.
What your thing is?
I don't know. Yeah, like maybe a costume or something.
You gonna be? Do
Or
you think?
maybe shoes. Yeah, shoes.
Is it shoes?
Yeah, I bet it is. Yeah, shoes.
She's always wearing shoes. Oh, that's quite pretty.
Here, the
Yeah.
sparkly.
Sparky shoes, that is.
Mhm.
She must have a small little feet, you know.
Mhm. All baby LOLs have small little feet.
Do they?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a stand on here. You see this feet
Oh
part?
yeah.
It's
It's
a stand.
a stand.
Yeah. This is our costume. Just
Ooh.
gonna take the plastic
That look very
out
pretty.
of it. There we go. This is her dress.
Okay.
What part next? I think that's all the surprises in there.
No, look at that now. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, take all the rubbish on the side.
Yeah.
Edward, pick the rubbish on the side. That's it.
This is something.
What is that?
It's for the LOLs. You can collect like these LOLs.
Ooh.
There's dogs, cats, baby LOLs, these LOLs.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So I think I'm going to keep this one. This one can go in the bin. It's just like instructions and everything.
Okay.
So this one can go in the bin.
Let's open the whole thing. There you go.
This is rubbish.
All the LOLs, they all look different, isn't it?
This is a face mask. No, not a face mask. Like that thing what you wear for when you sleep sometimes.
Oh,
It goes like over your face.
does it?
Is there something like in here? There's one on another and
So where's the LOL then?
right. The LOL's in here.
Is she hiding in there?
Mhm.
Well, get her out then.
Look, it says it has a baby on it with a question mark. So it's him here.
Okay.
This is it.
What? You gonna put her clothes on and the shoes on?
And this is her sucking thingy, whatever.
Was that a dummy or something?
I don't know. It goes in her mouth.
What? No
And then you
way.
can just take it out.
Okay.
So
No, so you're gonna put the dress on first?
yeah,
She might be cold now.
she was doing the splits when I got her too.
Was she?
Yeah.
Does she do gymnastics like you?
I don't know.
You do gymnastics, don't you?
I do.
Yeah.
It's true.
Getting ready?
Mhm. Here's her dress.
There's the dress. That looks very pretty. Okay, now put the shoes on.
Okay. Shoes next.
Put the shoes on.
I've glitter on my fingers. They're so glittery.
Right, okay.
And she changes colour.
Does she?
Yeah.
How does she do that?
Well, so you put like water on her and then she just changes colour.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one I have.
This is the one you have now?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. Snuggle baby? Is that what we call?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I think it has a face mask, so it's Snuggle Baby.
Okay, so when you put it on stand so she can stand on top.
And on here it has a bow.
Okay.
Just gonna let her hold her bottle.
Oh.
So the foot bit is here. Go.
Cool. She gonna stand?
Just gonna there we go.
There you go. She's standing.
And this is her thing too. Just gonna there.
She looks very cool, doesn't
And
she?
this is her face mask too, whatever this thing's called. You can just like go on her head like here.
Oh, okay. When she goes to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh.
It just goes on her eyes like this. So like if I
Then she goes to sleep after.
yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Cool. You can take it off now. And everybody's playing with his Sonic and a Knuckle.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.
And thumbs up.
And thumbs up and share the video. I'll see you next video. Say bye-bye.
Bye.